Hello everyone. So in this video, what we're going to do is, Karnik is going to conduct a music orchestra. If you know what a conductor, in technical electronic term, conductor is different. In terms of music, conductor is a person who controls the music, okay, the pitches below. You can see, like I'll probably put up some images here. So these people are called conductors. They conduct the music, okay. So today we're going to use AI, and Karnik is going to make a small music with it, okay. So the first thing you can, if you want, you can directly go to here Google and type Google conductor, okay. So it's called here, the first one, semiconductor. So here first thing you have to do is you have to click start, okay. Make sure the orchestra plays the music off. The faster you go, the faster they go, meaning if you swing it very fast, they make the music very fast, okay. So the next thing is that move up and down. If you go down, the audio will be a little bit low. If you go up, it will be a little bit softer, okay. So the next thing is that if you go to the right side, the particular section plays. If you go to the left side, particular section plays. Okay, as soon as you click let's start, so I'm going to remove the protective tape which I have here, okay. So Karnik is already standing over there, okay. So Karnik, now he has to align his body to the arm which is showing up.
So I have to
here, you can see.
back side.
Okay, so he is now ready, okay. We'll now make the music start. Karnik, go ahead. Fast, Karnik, fast. Take a bow. Take a bow, take a bow. I hope you liked this video. So you can do one thing. I guess most of you are having our WhatsApp number. What you can do is make a video of you conducting the whole orchestra, okay, and send us a video to the WhatsApp number, and we'll post your videos on the upcoming videos as well, okay. Send us, okay, just try it out. It's like a fun way of doing it, okay. So that's all for today's video, and probably we'll see in the next video. Next video is even going to be fun. We're going to have interacting with augmented reality, okay. So bye.